Our first example today is going to be 43 take away 20. Step number 1, we have to draw our number line. Step number 2 is we take our starting number and we have to put it in the correct place on the number line. Today we are taking away. So when we take away, our number gets smaller. So that means we're going to jump this way on the number line. So 43 has to go on this side. 43 take away 20. And just like when we did it yesterday with adding on a number line, we don't want to have to draw 20 baby steps, baby jumps. We're going to do jumps of 10. So how many 10s are there in 20? 10, 20. There are 2 10s. So we're going to do 2 big jumps. 1, 2. And inside the number line, we are going to write take away 10, take away 10. So now we need to know what number is this. So when you start on 43 and you take away 10, what number do you land on? So we're going to draw 43 and we're going to take away 10. What number do we have now? 10, 20, 30, 33. Then we're going to take away another 10. What number do we land on now? Here's 33. Let's take away another 10. 10, 20, 23. So our answer is 23. Let's do another example. We were taking away 10s and 1s. So let's do 57 take away 36. Gonna draw a number line. Now we need to put 57 in the correct place. Which side is 57 going to go on? The left or the right? It's going to go on the right side. 57. Take away 36. So how many 10s are there in 36? There are 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. So we're going to do 3 jumps of 10 backwards. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to write take away 10, take away 10, take away 10. So we've done our 30, give it a tick. Now we have to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inside, it's going to squeeze in, take away 1, take away 1, take away 1, take away 1, take away 1. So we've taken away our 6. Now we have to know what is 57 take away 10. So I'm going to draw 57 in Dean's. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 57 take away 10 is, we're left with 4 10s, so 47. Remember, the 1s are not changing, only taking away 10s. Take away another 10, let's cross that off, 37. Take away another 10, cross it off, 27. Now we have to take away our 1s. So here's 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So we've landed on 21. So 57 take away 36 is 21. Hello you two. So you have just watched a video of me reminding you and showing you how to do 2-digit take away 2-digit on a number line. Now it is your turn to look at these 3 questions and to try it on your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to pause the video and you're going to try to answer these 3 subtraction questions on a number line. When you have finished, you can press play for the next part of the lesson. Today, we are learning about the multiplication symbol. What is this symbol? Oops, I'm going to hide that. What is this symbol? It is the groups of symbol. We also call it times. So let's do the action together. Groups of. Your turn. One more time. Groups of. Your turn. So, you are now going to watch a couple more videos. And in those videos, I am going to show you how to write a number sentence using the groups of or the times symbol. I'm going to lay out some pairs of socks. So, one pair. There's another pair. Another pair. Another pair. Another pair. And I have to squeeze these ones in. And here's another pair. So, first thing we need to do is write our repeated addition number sentence that describes all of these socks. So we've got 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So as a repeated addition number sentence, we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, another 2, another 2, and another 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That equals 12. For our groups of number sentence, we will write 6 groups of, and how many are in each group? There are 2. So 6 groups of 2. As a multiplication number sentence, we will write 6 groups of 2 equals 12. Oops, I forgot the 12 there. For this next example, we are going to use old yogurt pots and counters. So here I've got 2 groups, and I'm going to put 5 counters in each group. So 1, 2, 3, lost my other purple one, 3, 4, and 5. I've got 5 counters in each pot. So now we need to write our different number sentences. Our repeated addition number sentence is going to be 5 add 5 equals 5, 10 equals 10. Our groups of sentence, so how many groups do we have? We've got 1, 2. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. And our multiplication number sentence is 2 groups of 5 equals 10. For our third example, we are going to use tens pneumicons. So this is one group of 10. Here's another 10, another 10, and another 10. So our repeated addition number sentence is going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Our groups of number sentence is 4, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10 equals 40. And our multiplication number sentence is 4 groups of 10 equals 40. So now it is your turn to write the repeated addition number sentence, the groups of number sentence, and the multiplication number sentence for this picture. Okay, so look at this picture. Think about how many groups there are and how many are in each group, and write down the repeated addition number sentence, the groups of number sentence, and the multiplication number sentence. So pause the video, and then when you play it again, I will show you what the answers are. So for this picture of the flowers, the repeated addition number sentence is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 14. There are 7 groups of 2, and that equals 14. And the multiplication sentence is 7 groups of 2 equals 14. We can also say 7 times 2 equals 14. Now I want you to do the same thing, but for this picture. So pause the video, and when you are finished, play the video again for the answers. So there are 10 fishies in each fish tank, and there are 4 fish tanks. So our number sentence is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 14. 4 groups of 10 equals 14. And the multiplication sentence is 4 times 10 equals 14, or 4 groups of 10 equals 14. Now it's your turn to do the same thing, but for this picture. So pause the video, and when you're finished, we'll go through the answers. The repeated addition number sentence is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. 4 groups of 5 equals 20. And the multiplication sentence is 4 groups of 5 is 20, or you can say 4 times 5 equals 20. For those of you who want more of a challenge, this is the next task. You're going to use the inequality symbols to make these statements correct. So 3 times 5, is that greater than, less than, or equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? And there's 2 more examples. I'm actually going to show you an example of how to work it out. This is an example question for the challenge question. So here I've got 4 groups of 2. 4 times 2 is, we don't know if it's greater than, less than, or equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we want to know if we're going to use this symbol, or this symbol.
First thing we have to do is figure out the answer for the left side. I'm going to use counters. Some of you might be able to do it in your head. Some of you might want to draw pictures. But I'm going to show you the counter method. So we've got 4 groups of 2. So here's one group of 2. Another group of 2. Another group of 2. And another group of 2. So all together, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now we want to figure out the answer to the repeated addition. I'm going to use counters again. So we've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these all add up to 10. So is 8 greater than 10, less than 10, or equal to 10? 8 is less than 10. So now have a go at the challenge questions. Okay. Here are the questions. What I want you to do is pause the video, try to work out the challenge questions, and when you are finished, play the video again so I can show you the answers. Here are the answers. First one is less than, the second one is equal to, and the third one is greater than. Here's the second challenge. If the total is 12, so if the answer is 12, what could the repeated addition and multiplication be? How many possible answers can you come up with? I'm actually not going to show you how to work this out, but I would love to see what your solution is on Class Dojo. Bye.